Welcome everybody to Motorcycle Training Concepts. This is the first real video we're getting out, but today we're going to be talking about instinctual riding. Maybe too much of the helmet fire, maybe too much of the thinking going on inside your head, so we need to just do it. So I have a ton of cones out here. We got 2 exercises. What we're going to be doing is just instinctual. We're going to get into it, get out of it, and while I'm doing it, I'm going to explain to you what it is that you're actually learning without even trying to learn. This is something you can easily do in a parking lot, so make sure you stay tuned. Let's jump into it. Now remember, you can use cut up tennis balls, just cut them in half instead of cones if that's what you want. I'm going to put those over there. And let's go ahead and hop on the bike. All right, so like I said, this is for those of you that like to have instinctual riding, or if you've gotten to the point where you're feeling super comfortable with your tight turns, U-turns, figure eights, and you're just bored, you want to do something different. If you notice, it's all situated like this within just 3 cones, and this is perfect for learning your tight turns, your U-turns, your figure eights, your S-turns, your head movements, friction zone, body weight. See, these are all things that I already know, and you probably know, but you just want to get to it. So here's the thing. We're going to go through the right cones, left cones, circle, these cones, end up back here. Pretty simple. I'm going to show it to you nice and easy, nice and slow. So if you're new to this, go ahead and get used to the actual function of all of these things. Now right here, nice, huge or short circle through these cones. Look for the next ones. Look for the end, turn. That's it. Now it's just friction zone. I was in first gear. I was just letting the bike do its thing. If you are brand new, just do it nice and easy. Have fun with it. Don't think about time. But if you're getting a little bored, you're like, this is too easy, go ahead and time yourself. If you time yourself, let me know in the comments. All right, so we're going to pick it up a little bit. So I can go between cones. I'm really going to dance. I'm looking where I need to go. Now I'm going to go ahead and slow it down on this turn so I can make it nice and short, so I'm not going wide. Pick up speed, pick up speed, pick up speed. There it is. Now I was doing the right side this whole time, so now I'm going to get back into it. I'm going to do the left side first. So left side, I'm going to look where I need to go. I'm dancing. Now I'm going to go around this cone. Remember to counterweight, look, turn the handlebars, look at the next exit, and get yourself into it. Now you can go fast, you can go slow. The main thing is we're having fun. Now if you have a bunch of friends, what you could do is have them all line up here and watch. So like one will go off. All right, we're gonna have fun. One's gonna go off. The others are watching, right? Everyone's cheering you on. You got a bunch of buddies. Oh, that was really wide. I gotta compensate for it. And then now I just go, and then someone else takes off, and now I just get back in line and wait for them to go. So be very safe when it comes to that. Be very safe when it comes to that. Don't run into each other, but still have a good time. Maybe get about 5 or 6 of these in, and then take a break. Do it the other way. Have some fun. But I'm going to show you the other one that I really love. All right, so this one is a ton of fun. I have the diagram up on the screen. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight, do a nice U-turn, try to keep it within 2 spaces. If I go wide, perfectly fine. Do a slalom or straight line weave. Go nice and wide on another U-turn, do a straight line weave. Do another U-turn, come out this way. Do it with some friends, keep going. And then switch sides. So I'm gonna stay nice all the way over here, instinctually do a U-turn, try to make it within the first one, dance with the bike, now go wide, now go in between these cones, see if I can make it around this. I got the tripod in the way. There we go, now exit out. Now your buddy just takes off and goes and does the other one. You do that a couple times, switch sides. All right, let's do that a little bit quicker. So speed up a little bit, slow it down before the turn, do my U-turn, head look, get in between. Now let's have fun with this. Now slow it down, do my U-turn, look, and then go. Now switch it sides. So you have a bunch of friends, you did it a couple times, or you're by yourself, just go ahead and get back in line. Now start over here and go right. So now we're doing a lot of right-handed turns. So within, now go wide, nice wide turn, in between, I don't want to hit the tripod, so I'm going to go super wide on this one. As soon as I exit out, boom, right there, point my nose out and leave. Now, Here's the thing, with these exercises, they're just trying to get you out of the house and practice, because a lot of the tight turns, a lot of the exercises that we typically do are boring, to be quite honest. So what we're doing is we're having fun here. And this is something you could do with your friends. And if you're not comfortable on a motorcycle yet to do these things, still come out here and do it with a bicycle. You're still gonna learn your tight turns. You're still looking where you need to go. You still need to get the counterbalance. The only thing you don't need to do is friction zone and throttle control. You're going to get a lot of the same things from a bicycle that will translate to a motorcycle and vice versa. And here's the thing, you only need 6 cones. You only need 6 cones for that exercise. You need 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 for that. But remember, you can cut up your tennis balls, 6 tennis balls cut in half, boom, you got 12. So it's a lot of fun. It's really easy to do. And the thing is, I'm in and out in less than like 15 minutes. What does it say right here? What does it say on the camera? 11 minutes filming. I've only been filming for 11 minutes and I got a ton of exercise and now I can leave. I'm super stoked about this, guys. This is something that I absolutely believe is gonna be revolutionary when it comes to motorcycle training. And the thing is, I got 12 of these exercises and I can't wait to share more with you. Guys, subscribe today. We're gonna have something amazing coming up. Can't wait to share it with you.